So I don't know if this is a YouTube issue or what, but I've been working on this Shopify embedding on a website, and I was having this problem that you can see over here. Ignore all my random work bits. So this, and you can see it right here too, this is out of alignment. It just is stuck over here to the left, and I had tried editing the code for the actual little Shopify button there, and that just was not doing it. Maybe I'm just a little unfamiliar with their code, and there was some way that could have eventually worked out. But I tried that. I tried some different targeting in the SiteOrigin widget, and nothing was getting that button to move. So, if you've done this before and this is you're like, wow, that's actually super easy, then this video is not for you, obviously. But if you're learning how to do this, if you're using Shopify and some of the common WordPress themes, then this might help you. So here's how I finally fixed it with this one. Also, the price wasn't showing up, and I did get that to show up, and I'll show you how I did that too. So what you have to do is you go over here. These are made with image widgets and then the Shopify buttons, because I didn't want to, the whole image and everything Shopify embed just wasn't what we wanted for this. Anyway, so let's look at this one down here, and I'll show you how I fixed it. So I go over here, and you go down, where is it? Right here. So here's my custom HTML for the Shopify stuff. So what I did to show the price, this is actually very easy. So just go in here, find price, and see, it just says false right there. So to fix that, all you have to do is set that to true. And then to center this stuff, all you have to do is go here and inspect this whole thing right here. So inspect that, and you will see the you want to find the top level Shopify div. So you go up here, it's right here. No, hold on, I want to make sure we get the right one. There it is. There's the ID right there. So double click on that so you can copy that ID. Copy it, go back here, go to the this one, go to that Shopify HTML widget, go to attributes, paste that ID in right there, and then see, that was one of the things I was trying that did not work. And then just margin auto, and that should fix it. Let's see. Let's go up and update it. My computer is really slow. Okay, now if we go over here and refresh the page, it should be centered now.
Until you let her go to sleep. No, I'm allowed to paddle.
Kids. Shh. Sorry. And there it is. It's all nice and pretty. So I hope this helped at least someone out there, save you a little time.